What ID do I need for a Monzo account? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. What ID do you need for a Monzo account? I know that this can be a bit confusing, especially if you're new to banking or if you're not from the UK. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the ID requirements for opening a Monzo account. I'll also cover some other important things to keep in mind when applying for a Monzo account. So, let's get started. What ID do you need for a Monzo account? The ID requirements for a Monzo account are pretty simple. You will need to provide either a valid UK passport, a valid UK driving license, a valid EU national ID card, a valid EEA national ID card, a valid biometric residence permit, a valid passport from another country, along with a valid UK proof of address document. If you're not sure which ID you have, you can check your government website or contact your local council. What is a valid UK proof of address document? A valid UK proof of address document is any document that shows your current address in the UK. This could be a bank statement, a utility bill, a council tax bill, a tenancy agreement, a driving license. The document must be less than 3 months old. How to apply for a Monzo account? Once you have the required ID, you can apply for a Monzo account online or through the Monzo app. To apply online, simply go to the Monzo website and click on the Sign Up button. You will then be asked to provide your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload a photo of your ID. To apply through the Monzo app, simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have installed the app, open it and click on the Sign Up button. You will then be asked to provide the same information as if you were applying online. What happens after you apply for a Monzo account? Once you have applied for a Monzo account, your application will be reviewed by the Monzo team. If your application is approved, you will receive an email from Monzo inviting you to create your account. Once you have created your account, you will be able to order your Monzo card. Your card will be delivered to your address within a few days. What are the benefits of having a Monzo account? There are many benefits to having a Monzo account, including no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, free in-app budgeting tools, roundup feature that automatically saves spare change, ability to set spending limits and budgets, access to exclusive discounts and offers, 24/7 customer support. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time. Additional information. You can find more information about Monzo on their website, https://web.monzo.com. You can also find reviews of Monzo on https://www.trustpilot.com/review/www.monzo.com. You can follow Monzo on social media, https://twitter.com/monzo?lang=n. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance and banking, https://www.youtube.com/account. Call to action. If you're thinking about opening a Monzo account, I encourage you to do so today. You won't be disappointed. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And as always, please feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you have. I'll see you next time.